In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly link your social media profiles to your Wix website, making it easier than ever for visitors to connect with you across different platforms. Whether you're a business owner looking to increase engagement or a content creator wanting to share more of your work, having visible social media links on your website is a crucial step. By the end of this guide, you will have set up social links that are attractive and functional. Let's get started. First, head on over to the Wix website editor by logging into your Wix account. You should arrive at your site's editor page where all the customization magic happens. Here you can choose the specific site you want to edit if you have multiple sites. It's important to note that ensuring you're working on the correct website will save you a lot of time. Once you've landed on the editor page, look for a plus icon, usually representing the add menu on the left hand side of your screen. This icon is your key to adding new elements to your blog, including social media integrations. Click on it to open up the various options available for your site. Now that the menu is open, scroll down until you find a section labeled Social. This section contains all the tools you'll need to integrate your social media profiles. Click on Social to explore your options for linking your social media platforms. The next thing you need to do is look for and click on the option labeled Social Bar. The social bar is a pre-designed element that includes icons for various social media platforms. It's not only easy to implement but also customizable to fit the aesthetic of your website. Clicking here will add the social bar to your web page, usually at the top or bottom, depending on the design layout. With the social bar now on your page, you'll see several social media icons by default. To make it more personal, you can select which platforms you want to display. This can include all the major platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and more. Look for the settings or manage social links option to choose or remove certain platforms according to your preference. And that's it. You've successfully linked your social media profiles to your Wix website. Now your visitors can effortlessly find you on different social media platforms, enhancing your online presence. Don't forget to regularly update your links whenever you expand to new platforms or make changes to existing profiles. Thanks for following along and happy website building.